Keyboard replacement on HP 14 CM0105 EU laptop. Thank you, Sir Raven, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. The HP 14 CM0105 AU laptop underwent a complete keyboard replacement service to restore its input functionality and improve overall usability. The original keyboard had developed several issues, including unresponsive keys and physical wear, which significantly affected the user's ability to type efficiently and comfortably. The procedure began with the careful disassembly of a laptop to access the integrated keyboard assembly. Since the keyboard on this model is built into the top cover, the process required precise handling to avoid damaging nearby components, such as the touchpad and internal connectors. The faulty keyboard was then carefully removed and replaced with a brand new, genuine, and fully compatible replacement unit. After installation, the new keyboard was tested thoroughly to ensure that all keys responded properly, that no input delays were present, and that the overall typing experience was smooth and reliable. Additional checks confirmed that the keyboard was securely fitted and fully functional within the system. In conclusion, the service successfully restored the HP 14 CM0105 EU laptop's typing performance. The replacement provided the user with a fully responsive and reliable new keyboard, improving both comfort and efficiency for everyday tasks. Keyboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.